Another question that is related to software engineering and also is related to microservices is that what is cohesion, and do we want high cohesion or low cohesion? So cohesion is a degree to which the elements of a module, a software, or code are related, or how they are directed towards performing a single task, how well they work together to achieve a goal. So that means that high cohesion is good because that means that the elements or the parts of a system are better directed towards a single task. An example of low cohesion is helper classes that are supported in many languages such as Java and C#. Let's look at this hypothetical example. So in here, I have a helper class that has some methods. The one method is date to a string. It converts a date time to a string or a text. The second one is smtp-config, which is a class type, and the method name is getSMTP-config. It probably reads a config file and then returns an object of smtp-config. And the third one is log error. It logs an error message to a file or something. So as you see, one class has 3 methods and those methods are not related. One method is for converting date to string, another one is for logging an error. And as you see, they are not really related. So there is a low amount of cohesion in that helper class. It would be better to have 3 different concrete classes with different methods. One would be about conversion of types together. One would be about logging, and another one would be about reading config files. And then they wouldn't even be static. The less you use static classes in your code, that's the better. And you could use something like dependency injection to inject the concrete classes to the consuming class. So up to here, we learned that high amount of cohesion is good. Low amount of coupling is also good. We don't want low cohesion and we don't want high coupling.